The Nikon D850 has earned its reputation as one of the best cameras ever made by Nikon, beloved by professional photographers and enthusiasts alike. Known for its high-resolution capabilities, it has stood the test of time as one of Nikon's most reliable DSLR cameras. But in 2024, why should anyone consider a DSLR when mirrorless cameras have dominated the market for years? Let's explore why the D850 could still be your camera of choice. At the core of the D850 is its 45.7 megapixel sensor, delivering stunning high-resolution images with exceptional detail. This same sensor is also found in Nikon's newer flagship models, the Z8 and Z9. The D850 produces incredible dynamic range, sharp images, and rich shadows and highlights, making it a versatile tool for any photographic need, from wildlife and wedding photography to studio and landscape shoots. The D850 offers 3 resolution modes, 11, 25, and 45 megapixels, so you can tailor your settings to match the occasion. Regardless of the resolution, the D850 generates full RAW files, ensuring high-quality results with minimal hassle during post-processing. The D850 features a robust 153-point autofocus system with a dedicated processor, ensuring sharp and accurate focus even in challenging conditions. It also supports up to 9 frames per second, making it an excellent choice for capturing fast action, such as sports or wildlife. For night photography, the D850's ISO can be pushed up to 3200, and its autofocus performs admirably in low-light scenarios. Pair it with a tripod and longer exposure settings, and you can achieve stunning night shots. While the D850 isn't a flagship video camera, it holds its own with 4K UHD, recording at 30 FPS and 1080p at 60 FPS for smoother footage. It even supports slow-motion recording in 1080p. Though limited to 8-bit color depth, which reduces dynamic range compared to newer models, the D850 still produces excellent video quality for most creators. Its ability to shoot 8K time-lapses adds another layer of creative potential for videographers. The D850's build is ergonomic, durable, and relatively lightweight, making it easy to carry during long shoots. Its optical viewfinder contributes to its impressive battery life, lasting significantly longer than mirrorless cameras with electronic viewfinders. This is especially valuable for activities like wildlife or astrophotography, where you may spend hours setting up shots. One of the D850's biggest strengths is its compatibility with Nikon's extensive lineup of lenses, as well as third-party options from brands like Sigma and Tamron. This ensures versatility for various photography needs without requiring costly lens upgrades. Price-wise, the D850 is a bargain in 2024. Brand new units are still available for $2,200, and used models in good condition can be found for under $1,700. Compared to the significantly higher prices of newer models like the Z8 or Z9, the D850 offers incredible value, especially when factoring in the cost savings on lenses. Is it worth it in 2024? Whether the D850 is the right camera for you depends on your needs. If you require cutting-edge technology, such as 10-bit color and 4K at 60 FPS, then a mirrorless option may be better. However, if your focus is on stunning still photography, excellent low-light performance, and compatibility with a wide range of lenses, all at a fraction of the cost, the D850 remains an outstanding choice. In a world dominated by mirrorless cameras, the Nikon D850 continues to shine as a versatile and reliable tool for photographers who prioritize image quality and value. Its legacy speaks volumes, making it a worthy contender in 2024. The Nikon Z9 will receive the Expeed 8 image processor, marking a significant upgrade in processing power. This enhancement will directly impact the camera's core features, including improved autofocus algorithms, especially for 3D object tracking, faster continuous shooting, higher video resolution, and increased frame rates. As a result, users can expect substantial performance gains in both still photography and video capture. The updated Nikon Z9 is anticipated to launch in the fourth quarter of 2025, to receive an update following the Z9 II. The addition of the X-Speed 8 processor to these models signals Nikon's ongoing commitment to advancing speed, autofocus, and video capabilities across its mirrorless lineup. Rumors are abuzz about Nikon's anticipated Z9 Mark II, suggesting that this flagship model may introduce a global shutter to Nikon's mirrorless camera lineup. If true, this would set Nikon's Z9 Mark II as a powerful competitor to Canon's R1 and Sony's A9 III. With this development, Nikon seems poised to create a high-speed, high-performance camera that could challenge some of the industry's most established names. For professional photographers, the Z9 II could represent a major step forward. The Nikon Z9 Mark II is reportedly designed as a high-speed version of Nikon's Z9. Rumors suggest that the Z9 II will feature a 20.4-megapixel sensor with an extremely fast readout speed of 0.4 milliseconds. This is where the potential global shutter technology becomes especially significant. Unlike traditional rolling shutters, which can cause distortion when capturing fast-moving subjects, a global shutter captures the entire image instantaneously, eliminating this issue. If true, this feature would be a major advancement for Nikon, making the Z9 Mark II an ideal choice for sports, wildlife, and action photographers who rely on capturing precise, rapid moments. Another rumored highlight of the Nikon Z9 Mark II is its potential flash synchronization speed. Speculation suggests that the camera could synchronize with a flash at an impressive 1/12 of a thousandth of a second, far surpassing what most current cameras offer. Such a feature could be particularly valuable for studio and fashion photographers, who often depend on flash photography to capture intricate details and dynamic poses. A flash sync speed this fast would provide photographers with exceptional creative flexibility, allowing them to work with greater precision in fast-paced environments. Processing power is also anticipated to be a strength of the Nikon Z9 Mark II. Although there are reports that Nikon is already testing new X-Speed 8 processors, the Z9 Mark II is expected to incorporate dual X-Speed 7 processors. This setup would likely offer considerable speed and power, enabling rapid, continuous shooting and smooth 4K video recording, which is crucial for professionals who require both speed and high-quality output. Such processing power could allow photographers to capture extensive sequences without missing a beat, making it a strong choice for high-stakes, action-packed environments. As for its potential release date, the Nikon Z9 Mark II is expected to hit the market in late 2024 or early 2025. Until Nikon makes any official announcements, enthusiasts will have to wait for confirmation of the rumored specifications. As camera technology continues to evolve at a rapid pace, features that once seemed futuristic are now becoming a reality. Innovations like global shutters, enhanced flash sync speeds, and increasingly powerful processing capabilities are pushing the boundaries of digital photography. These advancements not only improve image quality but also open up new creative possibilities for photographers across various fields. The Nikon Z9 II, with its rumored specifications, could be a testament to how far mirrorless cameras have come, particularly in delivering tools that meet the rigorous demands of professional photographers. While the rumored specifications of the Nikon Z9 Mark II are certainly promising, it's essential to remember that a camera's true value lies in how well it meets the photographer's needs and enhances their creative vision. Until official announcements are made and photographers can test the Z9 Mark II in real-world settings, the photography community will eagerly anticipate how these advancements might impact the industry.